This video is showing how to install a rubber boot kit to a silicon cable. The tools required to do this are a ruler, a knife, a debrader, a crimp tool, wire strippers, wire cutters, a soldering iron and solder. The materials supplied in your kit are the following: the rubber boot, the rubber washer, the connector insert body, a crimp sleeve and a back shell. To prepare the fly end, remove approximately 50 mm of the cable cover and trim the inner braiding. Remove the red core cable, this is not required. Thread heat shrink over the cable and heat. Strip 5 mm of cable covering from the cores to expose the wire ends and solder the ends of the cable. Preparing the rubber boot end. Apply a thin layer of grease to the narrow end of the rubber boot. Slide the rubber boot onto the cable. Insert the red rubber washer over the connector insert body. Thread the back shell over the cable end. Remove 20 mm of the cable cover and fold back the inner braiding. Open the crimp sleeve slightly so that it fits over the cable and fold it back inner braiding. Slide the crimp sleeve over the inner braiding and press lightly to squeeze it onto the cable. Using the wire cutters, remove the red core cable. This is not required. Strip 5 mm of the cable covering from the cores to expose the wire ends, then solder the ends of the cable. Insert the core ends into the connector pin. Solder the white core from the cable to pin A on the connector insert body, and solder the black core from the cable to pin B on the connector insert body. You will be left with a shield grounding. Snip this wire flush with the cable end, insert into the connector insert body and solder into place. Screw on the back shell to cover the wires. Check that the crimp sleeve is flush with the end of the back shell. If it isn't, you will need to start again. Crimp the back shell onto the cable with your HTC 659 crimping tool. Ensure that you use the .262 size on the crimp jaw. Trim any excess inner braiding. Prepare a two-part epoxy adhesive. Using a syringe, slowly inject the adhesive mixture into the holes on the connector insert body. Fill until it is level and leave to set. This could take between 3 and 5 hours to set fully. Once the adhesive has set, slide the rubber boot toward the connector end. If the rubber boot does not slide on easily, apply some lubricant. Stand the base of the connector onto a hard surface and push down hard. This will ensure the connector is sealed properly inside the rubber boot.